Sunday today, 32 degrees now. It's going to be a top of 34. Sunny all week. Chances are 0, rain. So if you can see some footprints in your lawn, hot day like today, bit of heat stress, you know. So I've got my grey hose out, trying to get that water soaking in deep around the edges here. I'll move it around today, get in the middle there. Hopefully get some water into her. Okay, so this is my laundry in here. I've got that laundry hose hooked up. I just tape it up. Keep a roll of tape just here in case I want to take it off and put it back down the hot plug again. But I'll just run it right through there onto the yard because my yard's elevated. Look, this little rail here.